Hey everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I just wanted to share a couple quick cards that I made, actually made several of for my grandbabies to give to their moms. And then I also made them so they could make one for their other grandma. And so what I did was I cut them each an A2 size card base. Nothing fancy, okay? And this is from Imagine That Digi-Stamp. It's already colored. It's really cute. And then all I did was type in, I love my mommy because. And you can leave, I took up a lot of space here, but you could, leave as much space as you want so that they can write what, their mommy does that they appreciate and they love. And I just thought that it was a really cute idea. Now, this other one, I cut it cockeyed, so I will be making a pink layer to go behind it like this, a pink mat. And then this will go right there. But this one, and I believe these are for scrapbook layouts, but it prints white. So, I mean, it leaves the white spot. So I thought it was perfect to write in. And so there's some that have just one single space and then some that have a double space. So what I did was I wrote in here, I love my mommy because, and then I gave them this space right here to, write what their mommy's done for them. And I'm going to just go ahead and show you real quick. That ain't right. I knew something wasn't looking right there for a second. And I mean, you can do this with as many layers as you want to put in here. But, the kids that I made these for are a lot younger. So I figured it was best that they just, work to write their little message to their mommy and then glue it straight down to their card base. And so, I mean, and I think I'm running out of ink right there because I have printed out a ton of these and they print out beautifully. But like I said, I have printed out more than I can even count today for the kids. But I just thought it was such a sweet little Mother's Day idea, and I thought that it would be something that you could do very quickly with your kids. And I will make sure that I link I'm going to link, she's got 3 sets, and each set has 2 different designs in it, several different layouts, and it's got the black and white images. It's also got the colored ones like this. So I'm going to link each different set, and then there's a bundle that is cheaper, and you can get all 3 of the sets together. And especially if you're doing, children's church or something like that where you're making cards with the kids, this is an awesome way to do it, and just a sweet way for them to personalize something special for their mom. And so I just wanted to share that real quick. I know this is a short video and, no, not really much of a tutorial, but I was so tickled when I saw it and I figured this out this morning. I was like, oh, I felt like a genius. I was like, hot dog. And so I will make sure I link all of them. But like I said, there are some that have for 2, and then some, or for 1 picture, and then some that had for 2. So you could put it wherever you want. And then for their grandmas, like my grandson Azrael, he calls his other grandma Grandma. He calls me Oma, he calls her Grandma. So I put, I love my grandma because. And then the other kids, they call their other grandma Nana. So I love my Nana because. And what I did was I just made sure that the mom and the grandma didn't get the same card. I didn't, you know, and there's enough in those sets that you don't have to, you know, they wouldn't, I'd had enough, more than enough that they did not get the same card. And, but that's it, guys. I just wanted to share this really super quick, easy, Mother's Day card with you that you can do with your kids, or your husband could do with your kids. I mean, you know, even my husband could do this stuff. And since I did a pink and a blue, and these are my samples, I will probably put this aside for Mariah and Jesse, because they love making me cards anyway. So this way that won't go to waste. And, you know, and then all I got to do is make another bag. And then I just put them in a little Ziploc bag. So each kid had their own little kit with a little stick of glue in there, you know, for them to glue down their piece and all of that. So, I mean, it's a really cute thing to do. And you can get glue sticks, like 3 in a pack at the dollar store or something. So, I mean, I doubt it's acid-free and super wonderful glue. But if you're doing a bunch, you know, that's kind of what you need to do. But that's it, guys. And I'll be back in the next few days with a short, sweet, and quick tutorial. Well, I can't promise short and sweet, but another tutorial on some cards I'm making and projects that I'm doing. And I'm just kind of lost my mojo, and I don't know where it went to. And if anybody finds it, could you please mail it back to me? Because I'm grasping at straws here lately. All right, everybody, remember to practice your CPR, craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. I love you all. Bye.